two of the large caps have reported their numbers already, TCS and HCL Tech, rather on the muted and, somewhat disappointing side when it comes to margins for HCL Tech the uncertainties around the deal closures that TCS has pointed out. How would you really look at the IT stocks, amidst this kind of an earnings outcome?
Yeah, if I recall 90s or even early 2000, after 2000 dot-com bust, there was nothing to stop IT sector from growing 30 to 60% year-on-year basis, even the revenues and profits. But now the opposite is happening. In the last 2-3 years, nothing is helping the IT sector to grow in double digit in dollar revenue term. So we have been growing at a poor single digit in the last 2-3 years, and there is no visibility of any trigger which can alter this current adverse situation. So I think in the short to medium term, at least for another 1 or 2 years, we will have to accept and live with this fact that the IT sector is set to grow only around 4-5% in dollar term at best for the next 1-2 years. However, opportunities I believe are plenty in small and mid cap space. What we saw in 2014 to 2018-19, that is consolidation of the IT industry. We saw a lot of acquisitions, starting from Patni Computer to Polaris to Mindtree. So many companies, including Emphasis, they were all taken over, merger and acquisition, and also part of consolidation by the large companies. I may be wrong. I believe that time has come again for this consolidation and M&A activities to get a strength in the current situation, because the large companies, it's very difficult for them to grow even beyond 3-4%. In fact, as you mentioned, two companies have come out with the results. It's very disappointing. And two, after the change in the tax policies, the buybacks are not happening. So whereas even if the profit is not growing in strong double digit, they are still making thousands of crores of profits in absolute term, these large IT companies. And now they are not initiating any buyback. So which means, put both points together, there is a possibility of, once again, the consolidation, merger and acquisition taking place involving quality small and mid cap IT stocks. So I would strongly recommend investors to look at this particular space rather than investing in the large IT stocks.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.